Hello, I'm Elle. I'm a mom of 7 and I homeschool and I'm always busy, but today we're going to tackle this room. We just went through Hurricane Milton. Thankfully, we didn't have any damage to our home. We're all safe and we all hunkered down in this room because it's the safest in the house. And when you have 7 kids, things get really messy. And so if you prefer channels that are, the room is already clean when you start watching the video and they're just wiping up things here and there, this is not the channel for you. I have a really messy life and really messy kids because we're doing life, and that's okay, that's normal. And so when my kitchen gets dirty, it gets really dirty. When my bathrooms get dirty, they get really dirty, and we spend a lot of time cleaning. If watching other people helps you get motivated to clean, then come along and clean with me and let's get this done. Look at this before. It looks like I haven't cleaned in a really long time in this room, but that's not actually the case. It can get this messy very quickly. My kids do help a lot. We clean a lot together, but this time I just wanted to sort of give this room a real refresh after hunkering down here. Alright, getting my hair up and out of the way to get to work. And I would love to hear what you're working on. I know that a lot of the time people love to clean at the same time as these cleaning videos, and like I said before, it really helps me. So I would love to hear in the comments what you are working on and what you're getting done. When I'm working in a bedroom, I tend to like to start with making the beds first because it sort of gives a clean space where I can work around. And as soon as you get the bed made, it really makes the room feel about 80% cleaner, which really motivates me to keep going. This second blanket is actually for the trundle bed that's underneath, but it doesn't fit on the mattress when the bed is tucked under. Time for a quick water break. If you have a drink, you might want to get one too.
To breathe.
If you're enjoying this video, would you mind liking it and subscribing for me? That would be the biggest encouragement you could give me. Another thing that helps me when I'm overwhelmed with a cleaning task is to pick one point in the room and clean in a circular motion all the way around the room until I end up right where I started. That helps keep me on track and keeps me from bouncing from task to task. Time for another water break.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Okay, so I am not gonna get in there behind that bookshelf right now because I need to take a nursing break, and I may need to save that for another day because that's a whole big project itself. Yep, and there's my little one saying it's time for dinner, Mom. Okay, quick nursing break, like I said. But as I was sitting here, I was thinking about the fact that I may not get the bookshelf done that I showed you a minute ago. And I want to talk about not finishing everything and not worrying about finishing everything, because some is better than none and done is better than perfect. And I really hope that if there's anything you can take from my videos, it's that we don't have to be perfect. We can do our very best and be thankful and grateful that we got what we did get done. Yes, that's right. Are you done? Are you ready for me to keep cleaning? Okay. Success. I can now get back to working.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. Only this matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through.
Yep, you guessed it, more water.
Do you feel the same? Only thing that matters.
How cute are these little baby pants?
I will let you into my mind's deep. Recover the fallen tears that have been long asleep. The lights are out and heaven's open. We can be everything we want. Oh, stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls. Oh,
That's it. We are done. Thank you so much for taking this time to hang out with me. It really helped me to get everything done that I needed to do. And also just remember, done is better than perfect. So we're just going to pretend like that isn't there, and that's for another day.